Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn the way how we can transfer photos from iPhone into personal computer without any other equipment. So here it will be free and you can do it effortlessly. So you just need to use this Drive application. So basically we only can do the airdrops if the personal computer is Mac or Apple product, so they also will have the airdrop, so you can send them easily with the airdrop. But then if the personal computer is not from Apple product, you can just do this instead. You can open the photo library and you just need to pick the picture that you want to transfer into your personal computer, and you just need to select several picture here. So let's say I would like to select this two picture to send, and then you just need to click the share button and you just need to wait until the options pop up, and then you just need to simply click this Drive and you just need to pick the Drive account that you use here. So after you got it, you can also choose the Drive folder, and then you just need to complete the new one, and then you just need to type, just for make you easier to find the picture that you transfer, and create and save here. You just need to wait until the picture here is perfectly uploaded, and whenever it's perfectly uploaded, now you just need to open your personal computer, open your Google Chrome and just type Google Drive there, logged in with the account, and find the picture and download, so that those pictures will be transferred easily into your personal computer. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy and understand it. If you have any question, just tap the text into the comments below and we will answer it for you. So let's meet again into other tutorial.